Hello, today we're disassembling the ASUS Chromebook CM14 and Enterprise CM14 for a repair guide. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS service manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. Loosen the 4 screws and remove the 2 screws. Use the plastic blade to pry open the bottom case. Remove the bottom case. Align and paste the 2 battery bracket sponges. Assemble the bottom case at a slight tilt at upper side. Gently press down on the bottom case until it clicks into place. Follow the screw numbers to fasten the 6 screws. Tear off the tape. Push the iron sheet up. Disconnect the red cable side first. Disconnect the black cable side. Connect the black cable side first. Connect the red cable side. Push the iron sheet in. Paste the tape. Remove the Wi-Fi mylar. Disconnect the 2 antenna connectors. Remove the 1 screw. Remove the wireless LAN card. Align and insert the wireless LAN card into the slot. Fasten the 1 screw. Connect the 2 antenna connectors. Paste the Wi-Fi mylar. Disconnect the speaker L connector. Release the speaker L cable. Remove the speaker L. Disconnect the speaker R connector. Release the speaker R cable. Remove the speaker R. Align the positioning pins to assemble the speaker L. Tidy up the speaker L cable. Connect the speaker L connector. Align the positioning pins to assemble the speaker R. Tidy up the speaker R cable. Connect the speaker R connector. Push the battery bracket L and R latches into the unlocked position. Remove the battery with battery cable. Tear off the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Tear off the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Separate the battery cable. Separate the battery bracket L. Separate the battery bracket R. Connect the battery cable. Paste the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Paste the battery acetate tape. Rotate the battery. Install the battery bracket L. Install the battery bracket R. Align and put the battery into the original position. Push the battery bracket L and R latches into the locked position. Disconnect the two FFCs. Remove the two screws. Remove the I/O bracket UB. Remove the one screw. Tear off the I/O board conductive mylar. Pry and remove the I/O board. Align the screw holes and I/O port to assemble the I/O board. Align and paste the new I/O board conductive mylar. Fasten the one screw. Align the positioning pins to assemble the I/O bracket UB. Fasten the two screws. Connect the two FFCs. Tear off the tape. Disconnect the 5 connectors. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the I/O bracket MB. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the main board. Use the plastic blade to disassemble the CPU shield. Remove the CPU shield. Align the center of the bracket to assemble the CPU shield. Align the I/O port to assemble the main board. Fasten the 4 screws. Align the positioning pins to assemble the I/O bracket MB. Fasten the 4 screws. Connect the 5 connectors. Paste the tape. Tear off the mylar. Disconnect and remove the TPFFC. Remove the battery sponge. Tear off the TP conductive mylar. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the touchpad module. Install the touchpad module. Fasten the 3 screws. Align and paste the TP conductive mylar. Align and paste the battery sponge. Connect and paste the TPFFC. Paste the mylar. Release the antenna cables. Place the device with the display panel 90 degrees. Hanging over the edge of the workspace. Remove the 8 screws. Separate the EDP cable from the hook. Separate the LCD assembly. Align and place the hinges of the LCD assembly on the screw holes. Fasten the 8 screws and tidy up the EDP cable. Turn the device over and place the screen on the table. Close the device. Rotate the device. Tidy up the antenna cables. Tear off the MB/UB/FFC. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the fan bracket. Align the screw holes to assemble the fan bracket. Fasten the 4 screws. Align the screw holes and I/O port to assemble the I/O board. Align and paste the new I/O board conductive mylar. Fasten the one screw. Align the positioning pins to assemble the I/O bracket UB. Fasten the two screws. Connect the two FFCs. Paste the MBUB FFC onto the fan bracket. If you need to replace the keyboard module, please follow the repair flow. Insert the plastic blade, then pry to remove the hinge cap. Insert the plastic card and pick from lower right and left side to apply pressure and lift the bezel. Flip the inner edge of the bezel outward to release the hooks. Insert the plastic blade and move slowly to separate the bezel away. Remove the LCD bezel. Paste the new LCD bezel adhesive L&R onto the LCD bezel. Paste the new LCD bezel adhesive up onto the LCD bezel. Paste the new LCD bezel adhesive down onto the LCD bezel. Tear off the LCD bezel adhesive release papers. Align and assemble the LCD bezel with the bottom of the LCD module. Press the edge of the LCD bezel to fix. Tidy up the Wi-Fi antenna and EDP cables. Assemble the hinge cap. Pull out the two LCD cover adhesive. Separate the LCD panel. Disconnect the EDP cable. Paste the two new LCD cover adhesive onto the LCD cover. Connect the EDP cable. Tear off the release papers. Align the LCD to the upper side of the LCD cover and assemble it. Tidy up the Wi-Fi antenna and EDP cables. If you need to replace the LCD cover, please follow the repair flow. Disconnect the EDP cable. Release the EDP cable. Tear off the EDP cable and remove it. Insert the plastic blade from below the camera and slide it along the side. Remove the camera. Remove the two microphone rubbers. Paste the two microphone rubbers. Align the positioning pins to assemble the camera. Connect the EDP cable. Paste the EDP cable onto the LCD cover. Tear off the main and aux Wi-Fi antenna foil. Insert the plastic blade and slide it parallel to the left. Remove the Wi-Fi antenna. Align and paste the Wi-Fi antenna. Paste the main and aux Wi-Fi antenna foil onto the LCD cover. Tidy up the Wi-Fi antenna cables. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the hinge L. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the hinge R. Align the screw holes and hook to assemble the hinge L. Fasten the 4 screws. Align the screw holes and hook to assemble the hinge R. Fasten the 4 screws. If you need additional help, please contact the service center. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.